Welcome to the Ghost Pepper CNC sales and marketing campaign. With a capacity of roughly 6 inches by 4 inches and a 2-inch Z movement, the Ghost Pepper is perfectly at home on any desktop. Boasting an industry-standard USB connection and open-source software for both native and web-based controls, the Ghost Pepper comes with hardware limit switches and auto-leveling work surface. At $999, the Ghost Pepper is significantly less cost than its nearest competition. Starting with a 3D CAD model, every aspect of the cabinet was examined for best fit, durability, and finish. Each model was then built, sanded, and finished to a polished shine before being exposed to a number of usability tests. The final design is a completely enclosed machine with multicolor LED illumination, dust extraction system, and plexiglass window top. All cabinet components are precision cut on a 180-watt CO2 laser, with choice as 3/4 inch, furniture grade, oak, or poplar plywood. After sanding and final fit, the components are glued and clamped before being stained or painted to your choice of color.
So now that you have seen the machine, let's see what it can do. How about engraving a horse onto a penny? A big draw for all makers is the ability to mechanically etch custom circuit boards. We can do that too. The bones of the Ghost Pepper is an Arduino-based CNC controller which is then outfitted with advanced functions and capabilities. As you can see, this is a very capable machine that truly empowers the Imagineer to build their vision. A closer look shows just how clean a cut the machine can make. Here is an MDF version of the horse we carved earlier. You can also carve brass, aluminum, plastic and more. Ghost Pepper CNC, a functional enabler of creativity. It may be small, but it's strong.